Kujoy.
What if I told you there's a hidden code inside your body that decides your hair, your face, even how tall you grow? This code is called DNA and it's inside almost every cell of your body. What is DNA? DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. It is the instruction manual of your body. Think of it like a blueprint. It tells your body how to build everything: your eyes, skin, height, and even how your body works inside. So now the big question is, where is DNA hiding inside our body? DNA is found inside almost every cell in your body. Your body has around 37 trillion cells, and inside nearly each one is a tiny control center called the nucleus. Inside this nucleus, your DNA is tightly packed like a coiled thread, and it is organized into 46 tiny bundles called chromosomes, 23 from your mother and 23 from your father. In fact, if you took the DNA from just one cell and stretch it out, it would be about 2 meters long, taller than most adults. Now, you might be wondering, if all this DNA is inside us, where does it come from? The answer is your parents. You get your DNA from your parents, half from your mother and half from your father. Your DNA is divided into smaller sections called genes. Each gene carries a specific instruction like deciding your eye color, hair type, or other features. That's why you might have your mom's eyes and your dad's smile. But here's the interesting part. It's not a simple copy-paste. The genes from both parents mix and combine in unique ways. This is why you are not an exact copy of either parent. You are a completely new and unique combination, something that has never existed before in history. But here's the crazy part. DNA does not use words like we do. It uses a secret code. DNA works like a code made from just 4 letters: A, T, C and G. But these aren't random. Each letter pairs in a specific way. A always pairs with T and C always pairs with G. Together, they form a ladder-like structure called the DNA double helix. What does DNA actually do? DNA stores and provides the instructions your body needs to work. Its main job is to tell your cells how to make proteins, tiny machines that control almost everything in your body. These proteins help your body grow, repair itself, fight diseases, and function properly. So, how does DNA actually work? Your body reads the DNA code to make proteins. First, a small copy of the DNA instructions is made, and this copy carries the instructions to a tiny machine in the cell called the ribosomes. The ribosomes read these instructions and builds proteins. These proteins do almost everything in your body. They help you grow, repair damage, and stay healthy. So, why does DNA matter? DNA is the reason every living thing exists and grows. It makes you unique. No one else in the world has DNA exactly like yours. DNA also helps your body stay healthy by guiding how it grows, repairs itself, and fights diseases. It's not just important for you. Scientists use DNA to understand diseases, develop medicines, solve crimes, and even learn about human history. So, DNA isn't just something inside you, it's one of the most important things that makes life possible. Now, let's do a quick recap. DNA is your body's instruction manual, written in a 4-letter code. It's found in almost every cell. It comes from your parents, mixed together in a way that makes you completely unique. And it runs your entire body, every second of every day. Inside you, right now, is the most complex code ever discovered. If you enjoyed this, hit like and subscribe for more amazing science.